Hello guys, see you again. And in this part I will open package. It's by my name. I buy some weird things. Let's we guess what kind of weird thing we buy. Okay, weird thing number one. We buy some Chinese things and the toys. toys. This packet is still locked. Okay. Let's see. This is the things I buy. Empty. This one is for leg. This is the things that call for knee therapy in this store. Yeah, like that. And how it arrive? Okay, when it arrive, it's become like this. This is bending on your knee. So your knee pass from up or down. Like this. But it's on the knee. There's a magnetic in here. And this is for the tighten the lock. Oh, the chew again is in the front. You can feel this on any magnet in here. Okay, looks cool. This is the knee, and then the other things is inside here. This is a mirror for cars, like this. For the blind spot. And then we buy a glue. This is a satanic glue. They call like that, Satan glue. Because the glue is like a lime tree. It's very sticky like this. Let's see the promo in here. This is glue. Ghost glue. Then this is a kind of tattoo in the hand. So like people who use a tattoo like this. Oh, but the the pattern is random. And what is this? Let's reopen it. This is a magnetic. I playing magnetic for toys. This is magnetic. Oops, sorry.